Hi, welcome to your favorite show, The Social Connection. In the next half an hour, we'll get you an update on that free Wi-Fi which is connecting millions at India's railway stations and the changes which Twitter has brought in its videos. My name is Venkat Raman and with me Shreya. Hi Shreya.
Hi Venkat, and yes, we'll also be telling you more on that big acquisition that Twitter has taken towards artificial intelligence. All of this and much more from the social media space. But first, let's get you the top stories.
Digital divide in India gets narrower with more than 1 million Indians using Google's free Wi-Fi at 19 railway stations.
After Facebook, Twitter turns to artificial intelligence, acquires Magic Pony.
And Yoga Day, Euro Cup and Salman Khan rule social media trends this week.
At a time when the world is connecting more and more digitally, there are many in India who still do not have easy access to the internet. When Prime Minister Modi met Google CEO Sundar Pichai, Google had promised free high-speed Wi-Fi access in over 400 railway stations across India. Now, 19 stations have been provided with this public Wi-Fi, and it is being used by over 1.5 million Indians.
Technology giant Google has revealed that more than 1.5 million Indians access its free high-speed Wi-Fi services that is available at 19 railway stations across the country. On the eve of World Wi-Fi Day, Google said that its plans are working well. Earlier this year, the company had launched the free Wi-Fi service at Mumbai Central. After its success, the company launched the service at 4 of India's largest railway stations: Sialdah, Lucknow Junction, Lucknow City and Gorakhpur Junction. After Prime Minister Modi's meeting with Sundar Pichai, Google had taken this initiative under the Digital India project. The aim is to create broadband access to millions of Indians who are either not online or have a limited access to internet. The company said that Indians are consuming 15 times as much data as they normally would on a 3G connection. According to Google India, 1 lakh users use the Wi-Fi services within a week of launch at the Mumbai Central. A lot of students in Bhubaneswar appreciate the service as they're searching for education-related information on these services. Google expects over 10 million Indians to use its free Wi-Fi service at railway stations by the end of 2016. At this scale, this is India's shining example of a project that is contributing in bridging the digital divide by making high-speed broadband Wi-Fi network easily accessible to millions of Indians who cross these stations.
Twitter has Periscope and Amazon has Twitch, while Google has YouTube's live streaming and now Facebook has Facebook Live. What does Tumblr have? Well, it is getting into live video too. The company will be launching a new live video feature, giving some tough competition to Facebook Live.
Blogging site Tumblr is launching live video, but instead of its own live streaming technology, Tumblr is simply integrating existing live video platforms. It is launching support via YouTube, Uno, Canvas and Upclose. While big players like Facebook, Periscope and Twitch are missing in Tumblr's partners, the current set gives user plenty of options to choose from. It also makes Tumblr the only major social network you can go to find live streams from a variety of apps. As for how to actually use it, you can post your video on iOS or Android by opening any of the 4 supported apps and simply share your stream to Tumblr. But you'll have to wait for a few days before you can stream directly from YouTube on iOS. Your followers will receive a notification when you go live, and your video will be on top of their dashboard feeds. Each video then has a little badge indicating what platform is being used to stream, and finished broadcast will remain as video posts on your Tumblr blog.
Well, here's some interesting news. Twitter has bought London-based artificial intelligence startup Magic Pony Technology for a reported $150 million as the company moves to strengthen its position in image sharing, video and live video.
After Facebook, it is Twitter which is turning towards artificial intelligence. The company has bought Magic Pony's artificial intelligence technology. It is based on research to create algorithms that can understand the features of imagery. The technology will be used to enhance Twitter's strength in live streaming and videos. It also opens up a whole lot of exciting creative possibilities for Twitter. Most importantly, the startup's tech boosts image and video quality by feeding media into a computer, converting it to a low resolution, and then identifying the difference between the two sets of visuals. Magic Pony has previously demonstrated how its system can improve pixels in live game streaming in real time. On the move, Twitter chief Jack Dorsey said, "This team helps us with the goal of making Twitter the first and the best place to see what's happening in the world and talk about it live." After Facebook's use of AI technology, Twitter has followed suit, and now what remains to be seen is how far artificial intelligence will go in defining the space of social media.
Well, we are heading for a short break, and after the break, we get you the latest changes that Twitter has brought in. Stay tuned.
It's a small world, continents apart, exploring diversity in scope and essence, insights into chronicles, news simply telling us it's a small world. World Connect, only on DD News.
हर दिन बदलती खबरें, हर पल बनती नई सुर्खियां, खबरों की रफ्तार के साथ हर दोपहर दुनिया की ताजा तस्वीर। दोपहर समाचार रोजाना 2 बजे सिर्फ DD न्यूज पर। सुर्खियों की भीड़ में अहम खबरें, असल मुद्दे जो डालते हैं आपकी जिंदगी पर असर। दिन भर की हर बड़ी खबर का बेबाक विश्लेषण, सच, सटीक, संपूर्ण। न्यूज नाइट, सोमवार से शुक्रवार रात 8 से 10 बजे सिर्फ DD न्यूज पर।
बड़ी खबरें जिनसे बनती हैं दुनिया भर में सुर्खियां, अहम मुद्दे जो डालते हैं विश्व पर अपना असर। दुनिया के हर कोने से हर बड़ी खबर पर हमारी नजर। खबर दुनिया की, सिर्फ DD न्यूज पर।
कोई चेहरा है कोमल कली का, रूप कोई सलोनी परी का, इनसे सीखा सबक जिंदगी का, बेटियां तो है लम्हा खुशी का। ये अगर हैं तो रोशन जहां है, ये ज़मीनें हैं और आसमां है वजूद इनसे ही आदमी का, बेटियां तो है लम्हा खुशी का। हमने रब को तो देखा नहीं पर नूर ये है खुदा का ज़मीं पर, एक एहसास है रोशनी का, बेटियां तो है लम्हा खुशी का। इनसे इनकी अदाएं न छीनो, इनसे इनकी सदाएं न छीनो, हक इन्हें भी तो है जिंदगी का, बेटियां तो है लम्हा खुशी का, बेटियां तो है लम्हा खुशी का।
It's a small world, continents apart, exploring diversity in scope and essence, insights into chronicles, news simply telling us it's a small world. World Connect, only on DD News.
All right, keeping up with the times and making itself more and more user-friendly, Twitter has increased the length of its videos to 140 seconds. So now all those 30-second videos that stopped you from sharing more on the social media site are now a thing of the past.
Videos are becoming increasingly central to the real-time conversations happening on social media, and Twitter noted that video tweets have increased by over 50% since the beginning of 2016. So, the microblogging site announced some interesting updates this week to improve their video experience by letting users tweet longer videos. Now, Twitterati can have more room to unleash their creativity on the social media site. While earlier uploaded videos were limited to 30 seconds, now Twitter will let you post video tweets that extend up to 140 seconds. However, select publishers like several verified accounts will continue to be able to post videos up to 10 minutes long through Twitter's professional publisher tools. This feature will begin soon for Mac and Windows users as well. In their blog, Twitter also noted that soon users may also begin to see longer videos on Vine. Starting with a small group, creators will be able to add a 140-second video to their Vine, which in turn will turn the 6-second Vine into a trailer for a bigger story. Vine elaborated about this development in a blog post. With longer videos added to its feature, Twitter is becoming more and more interesting and user-friendly. Now what remains to be seen is how far this will go in determining the company standing against its rival, Facebook.
Facebook Messenger has made it easier to start conversations now. Just days after Apple announced major enhancements to iMessage, Facebook has also made significant updates to its Messenger application. In a blog post, the company has announced changes related to starting a conversation.
With over 900 million people using Messenger every month, Messenger is the place where we can connect with the people and businesses we care about most. Now we can do more than just send and receive messages. From sending favorite emoji to chatting with businesses, getting news delivered just how you like it, or making a video call. There is lots new to experience on Facebook Messenger. In their blog, Facebook announced a simpler way to start conversations in Messenger, which begins by adding in a couple of key changes to the app's home screen. Now you will see your conversations and ways to connect right where you need them most. You will still see the first few most recent messages at the top of your screen, followed by a new favorite section, which highlights people you message most frequently. So you can quickly pick up your last conversation. You can also see other things happening on Messenger that you might be interested in too. For example, the Active Now section, you can see that a good friend or colleague is available at the moment. Maybe that will prompt you to say hi. Facebook also is adding helpful reminders like people's birthdays, so you can wish them a happy day. Facebook wrote in a newsroom announcement, "With these updates, we are aiming to make Messenger simpler to use by presenting more relevant information. We look forward to building even more ways to using Messenger better in the future."
Well, it is time for a break right now. Stay tuned because after the break, we get you the top trends of this week.
बड़ी खबरें जिनसे बनती हैं दुनिया भर में सुर्खियां, अहम मुद्दे जो डालते हैं विश्व पर अपना असर, दुनिया के हर कोने से हर बड़ी खबर पर हमारी नजर। खबर दुनिया की सिर्फ डीडी न्यूज पर।
कोई चेहरा है कोमल कली का, रूप कोई सलोनी परी का, इनसे सीखा सबक जिंदगी का, बेटियां तो है लम्हा खुशी का। ये अगर हैं तो रोशन जहां है, ये ज़मीनें हैं और आसमां है वजूद इनसे ही आदमी का, बेटियां तो है लम्हा खुशी का। हमने रब को तो देखा नहीं पर नूर ये है खुदा का ज़मीं पर, एक एहसास है रोशनी का, बेटियां तो है लम्हा खुशी का। इनसे इनकी अदाएं न छीनो, इनसे इनकी सदाएं न छीनो, हक इन्हें भी तो है जिंदगी का, बेटियां तो है लम्हा खुशी का, बेटियां तो है लम्हा खुशी का।
सुर्खियों की भीड़ में अहम खबरें, असल मुद्दे जो डालते हैं आपकी जिंदगी पर असर। दिन भर की हर बड़ी खबर का बेबाक विश्लेषण, सच, सटीक, संपूर्ण। न्यूज नाइट, सोमवार से शुक्रवार रात 8 से 10 बजे, सिर्फ डीडी न्यूज पर। हर दिन बदलती खबरें, हर पल बनती नई सुर्खियां, खबरों की रफ्तार के साथ हर दोपहर दुनिया की ताजा तस्वीर। दोपहर समाचार रोजाना 2 बजे, सिर्फ डीडी न्यूज पर।
It's a small world. Continents apart. Exploring diversity in scope and essence. Insights into chronicles. News simply telling us it's a small world. World Connect. Only on DD News.
सुर्खियों की भीड़ में अहम खबरें, असल मुद्दे जो डालते हैं आपकी जिंदगी पर असर। दिन भर की हर बड़ी खबर का बेबाक विश्लेषण, सच, सटीक, संपूर्ण। न्यूज नाइट, सोमवार से शुक्रवार रात 8 से 10 बजे, सिर्फ डीडी न्यूज पर।
And now let's get to you all that trended on the social media platforms through this week.
The second International Yoga Day was celebrated all over the world on the 21st of June. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated the second International Yoga Day at Chandigarh's Capital Complex. He joined over 30,000 people for the celebrations. Yoga Day was also celebrated with much enthusiasm across the world. People performed yoga at the Times Square in New York City. From Beijing to London, Sydney to Geneva, and Kathmandu to Kuala Lumpur, people from across the world posted their pictures performing yoga on social networking sites. The event was among the top trends on Facebook and Twitter, with the trending topic as #YogaDay. Bollywood superstar Salman Khan's recent comment about his grueling schedule during his latest movie has sparked controversy. In his comment, he said that after the shoot, he used to feel like a raped woman. The comment prompted outrage on social media. The National Commission for Women has written to Salman Khan and it has demanded an explanation within 7 days. Some Bollywood stars slammed the actor for his remark. However, his fans came out in his support in large numbers. The actor's father, Salim Khan, later apologized on behalf of his son on Twitter. The news was trending on Twitter and Facebook with #Salman Khan and #InSensitiveSalman. The Indian Space Research Organisation has launched 20 satellites into orbit from the Satish Dhawan Space Centre in Andhra's Sriharikota. It included 2 student satellites from Indian universities and 17 from foreign universities. The Polar Satellite Vehicle carried a 725.5 kg Earth observation satellite for defense needs and 19 satellites for customers such as Google-owned Terra-Bella and former NASA employees-owned Planet Labs. This is a record for ISRO in terms of number of satellites that it has sent to space at one go. Prime Minister Modi termed the record as a monumental accomplishment. The news was trending on social networking sites with #ISRO and #PSLV-C34. Chile reached the finals of Copa America Cup by beating Colombia 2-0. The final will be played between Argentina and Chile on the 26th of June. Both the teams have faced each other in the final of last year's Copa American Cup. It was Chile who had defeated Argentina in the final through a penalty shootout after a goal-less draw. There's a huge buzz about the final on the social networking site. It is trending on Facebook and Twitter with #Copa America and #Copa100. Hungary and Portugal reached the knockout stage after they played a 3-3 draw match. Iceland defeated Austria 2-1 in another match to book their place in the last 16. Iceland, which is making its first appearance in the major tournament, will face England in the round of 16. Cristiano Ronaldo struck twice in a match against Hungary that secured place for Portugal in the last 16. Ronaldo made a record 17th appearance at European Championship against Hungary. Eurocup is trending on social networking sites with #Euro 2016. And now it's time to see all the feedback that you sent in on Twitter, Facebook and YouTube.
Well, we have reached the end of the show. We look forward to more of that feedback coming in on our Gmail, Twitter handle, and of course, Facebook page. And if you missed any of the episodes of our shows, catch them on our YouTube channel, DD News Official.
That's right, and we hope that you enjoyed this episode of The Social Connection as much as we did. See you again next week, same time, same place. But before we log off, we leave you with this week's interesting video. Thank you and bye-bye.
كنا خايفين كنا بيركين بالصالون يعني كنا عم نبكي يعني شفنا جثات شفنا الدم يعني وصلنا قالوا بدنا نروح على البلد يعني كثير بالهم عم بيغرقوا يعني كله صاروا يعيطوا وصاروا هذا مشينا كمان مشينا كثير نام جوعانين في جوعانين يعني كمان بالبرية كثير بحلم بيه بتذكر ببكي يعني كنت أبكي يعني مخدتي تكون كلها مية عم بزعل ليش هيك حياة صعبة